the second time this week since I've been lost. I went on the wrong train. I should be going uptown instead. I came downtown. Guys, I have a dilemma. I need new skin. My skin, I don't know, it's just not working out. I have on little makeup right now. I have on some powder and some concealer. That's it. I'm gonna wash it, clean it off. Oh, I bought this thing from the beauty supply store. Let me see if I can find it. I was looking for moisturizers, facial moisturizers, and I found this thing. It's called Hydro Boost Whipped Body Balm from Neutrogena. I think it's a body cream, but I use it on my face to give me some hydration. They had one for like $24, and I think that's the one that you should use for your face, but I never gonna buy that. Sorry. So I bought this one for like $8.99, so $9. And then I got this thing in Burlington Coat Factory. It's the, I don't know, this thing. It's some oil thing, facial serum. It said it's hydrating, so I have to use anything that's gonna hydrate my skin right now. So basically I'm gonna wash my face and take out this makeup and then just moisturize it. But may I look for someone if I can't eat, you know. This is not the best angle, but may I try a thing, okay? So I'm gonna wash my face. So I'm gonna put it in my hair. Where is, oh shit, oh, my hair dye. My hair dye is right here. So I'm gonna put it in my hair. Okay, so after I put in my hair, I'm gonna wash my face. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. My face probably look a little bit ashy right now. I'm stripping and shit because I've been working really hard on it. So remember I told you guys that I needed new skin in the last clip. Basically my skin is coming back, so I'm kind of dry around here. I need to put on the moisturizer. So basically my skin has been acting up because of I guess the weather change and a bunch of shit, I don't know. But yeah, it's coming back and I'm happy. I'm basically in the laundromat right now in the basement doing some laundry. Look like a lumberjack right now. I'm showing what I wear. I have on Uggs I have my sleepwear, and as I can see at top, I'm just throw the cardigan here over me so that it don't look like I'm homeless. But yeah, just ignore the fact that my face dry, because like I said, I just wake up, I never do nothing to my skin yet or anything. So basically that's what's up. So yeah, a lot of things has been changing, and sometimes I feel like you don't need to announce your big moves. Sometimes when life is transitioning you have to allow it to do what it do. I wonder if you not hear me because maybe in my earphone. But yeah, like I was saying, sometimes in life when you're transitioning, you have to just allow life to do what it do. Oh shit, the light went out. Let me see if I can get it back. Hold on. Because it works with a sense now. Okay, so yeah, let me sit on it so. So yeah, like I'm saying, like sometimes in life you have to let life do what it do. You don't need to announce things that you're about to change, because I'm making a lot of changes, but I don't feel like I need to announce it every chance I get. I just go with the flow of things, you know, and I like who I'm becoming, and that's exciting for me. So basically that's what's up right now. As I'm telling you, look like me I'm working on one lumber yard, but that's okay. Is there anything else that I need to tell you guys? This week is the week of Thanksgiving. It's Sunday, by the way, and I'm getting the Thanksgiving weekend off, so I feel like I'm gonna try and push out some videos. And I just want to welcome my new subscribers. I see a couple people subscribe to me of lately. Welcome you guys. Sometimes I get so demotivated from doing YouTube because I don't really feel like say it makes sense. But like I said, I always say I create my channel for me, not for anybody else. Because sometimes I'm bored, I just go watch back some old videos and things. So yeah, anyways, I'm just a catch up with you now. And I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. I might do a haul video when I go home today, not sure. But oh, and another thing that I wanted to talk about, my hair. I feel like I'm gonna do a sewing. I haven't done a sewing in so long. I feel like I want to do a sewing with a leave out. I'm tired of waiting. So yeah, I guess I'll check it back with you guys. I'm gonna face a strip. I use one serum and one Neutrogena moisturizer. Anyways, me show that later, or I think I showed you guys my skin routine in the first clip. So I'll come back to you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Guys, I'm in the subway as usual on a Sunday. The trains are always messed up on the weekend. Annoying as fuck. But yeah, they are waiting for the train to look home next morning and go home and eat something right now. But gotta wait. So my skin, I get better. It's hydrated, it's clear. Like yes, that's all my focus on this year to come. Clear skin, less stress. Every football getting cancelled. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I know it's a long time when you not see me, but I know a lot has been going on. I've been very busy. I've been working, and I work 6 days per week, so that's why. The other thing, the last clip, want to see where I was at the nail salon. So I did my nails. I just got something simple because I have to work. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I'm never really want, have the same old white nails, so I went to get a refill. I also got my eyebrows waxed. It looked like my face like a break out because trust me, right, I say it's very tender. It's very, very tender. I have something on my nose. Is this a booger? Anyways, I also got my armpit wax for the very first time. Reason being is because I've been using Nair, and for some strange reason it's giving me hair bumps. It never used to do that, but all of a sudden it just turned against me. I don't really use razors because razors make your armpit dark. I'm not really trouble with under armpit like color and shit like that, but of lately it's like everything we use is irritating my underarm, so I have to be careful. But yeah, the first time I've ever waxed my underarm, and it was an experience. This one did hurt more, maybe because this was the first one, but the other one over here, it never so bad. But yeah, just checking in on the vlog. I have my phone recording right now. My camera is over there. I look fat as hell, and I'm supposed to be losing weight, so I don't know. I'm bloated right now. But yeah, I feel like we haven't spoken in a minute. Like I said, tomorrow Thanksgiving, I'm not really care. I'm just glad to say I'm gonna get the time off. Look sleepy because I am. Face look tired because I am. But yeah, that's basically the little rundown when I have Kuno. I've been buying a lot of stuff the other day, and I need to do a haul video, but I'll do that in another time. But anyways, just checking in with the vlog, and yeah, let me go do what I need to do, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. For come back out in them shoes, yeah. I choose one, take the picture, and
You know, this is a cold time.
oh God.
What's a Jewish name out to chill?
Yeah, behind here, sir. Jewish. Around here, sir, some nice house there. Yeah. Yeah, man.
What's another one, alright?
Saying that them not really care for holiday, them are open said away. Oh, you know it. Alright.
Go on, boy. You don't write yourself.
Alright, yeah, man.
Let's go in there.
Alright, cool. Hello.
Go inside to find something. Come in here.
How are you?
Hi.
Sparkling wine for next week.
Let me try it.
Here's the wine. Take care, happy holidays, man.
Ooh, this is good.
Yeah, it's not too sweet, you know. It's brand new, it came out last week.
And this is
red.
I like the white better.
Yeah?
You said this is the white?
This is the red, and this is the white.
This is the white. Where are these?
You can take it from here.
How much for this?
It's $8.99.
$8.99, not bad. I'm coming back for one.
You want me to put it on the
Yeah.
Do you have this bowl?
Okay, guys, so I'm in the liquor store. But you want to get a bottle of Hennessy, like a small bottle. But where's the Hennessy?
Hennessy, who knows?
Oh shit. The front? I don't know. Bacardi. Who drinks Bacardi? That just sounds like some old people liquor. Now you're out of sight. Cabernet Sauvignon. What? Sauvignon. May I look for some Henny, guys. And Pinot Noir. I know this one. I'll be back. Let me try and find. Oh, they have sweet bitch. Yes, I want the sweet bitch. Sweet bitch. Mommy, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. You never in my vlog yet.
Really?
Yes.
Hi, everyone.
You know. Okay, the phone is. Yeah, but
Hi, YouTubers.
yeah, you come on.
Come on.
You say you come on for the vlog. That boy, hi YouTubers. It's food time. Yup. Come on. Yay! That's my uncle, my mother,
Yeah.
cousin.
Come over. Peace, hallelujah. With Kenisha, our husband and family, and invite us, oh God, to come and partake. Lord, we Lord, thank you for this privilege. We thank you for the guests, Lord, the family and the friends, and we thank you for your holy angels, hallelujah, God, who's around us to help us, oh God Almighty, that this food, oh God Almighty, will provide for us, will be a blessing to us, oh God Almighty. And God, we ask, dear God, that if there's anything in it, oh God Almighty, to hurt us, God, we ask that you remove it, hallelujah. Bless the hand that made it. Bless the family, oh God Almighty, will provide for us, and bless each and every one of us, oh God, as we give you thanks for your many, many blessings. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Lord. We thank you. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus.
So I'm gonna in the basement because them said there is a parrot and that the parrot talk. I'm more witness it. Never witnessed it before. So here we go. Yeah. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Here are the parrots. Hi! How are you?
Come on. Hi, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Say something else. Say hello again. Hello? Oh, sorry. Hello. You say hello. Hi. It's say hi too. Hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
And it's a white one.
Come.
Beautiful.
Come.
How old is she, Bobby? She's
She'll
been
be
around
18
for a long
years old.
time.
80?
18.
18? Them harmless, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are
No,
them
they're
bite?
not.
They're not?
They're not. He's new to him.
Oh, they bite you?
They bite people.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Snow White. Happy birthday to you.
Snow White is singing.
Lucky like singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
She will pick me.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Happy birthday to you.
Ew, you pulled. Nasty. Hello. 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 Hello.
Sing happy birthday, man.
Hello. 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 Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Yeah, I've never witnessed this before. Good girl. There you go. Yeah, you get a cracker. Okay guys, so this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I just got home and I'm uploading the clips that I got for this vlog. This video is going to be a compilation of days. I know I haven't been uploading of lately because I'm busy. I have work and things, so that's why. Anyways, if I don't say anything upon my face, just know that it's still peeling from the serums and the moisturizers that I've been using, and my hair is gold right now. Look at the bones, like, bro. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to share. Remember to leave your comment. Remember to turn your post notification on, all of that. So until next time, it's your girl Chinchilla, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
We not in a nothing with it.